September 4th. It's my birthday. I have my It's My Birthday shirt on this morning. It's been a good morning so far. I have Sean over here getting ready for Animal Kingdom. Don't want to say what number that is, but that is how old I am today.
I shouldn't wear these shoes today, huh? Should put tennis shoes on, especially in Animal Kingdom, I guess.
Time for Animal Kingdom on my birthday. The otter.
Where is it? Oh, right there. I see it. We're going sleeping.
Time to go to Africa for the safari.
He's so cute. So you can tell that it's a black rhino because it's by itself. They're very There are called bongos, like the drums. They are known as the ghosts. It keeps them cool from the sun, but it also protects them from predators. It's because they are cold-blooded, like most reptiles are. Perfect circle. My favorite ankole though is the second one back that's kind of facing the front of the truck because her spots look like cookies and cream ice cream. Look at you. That was adorable. Mom. That's my favorite giraffe calf though. The one with the darker spots. So cute. And then the Patterson start sticking out of their mouth. At about 5 years old, it ends up poking their mothers. So it's not a very comfortable or pleasant experience for them. It's about 5 years old or so they'll stop doing that. To swim to the surface of the water so the flamingos can eat it. They chirp like a bird to their cubs. And the lions are up here on the left.
So we just did the safari.
Saw some crocs.
Sean saw his crocodile finally. They were all
Pretty
all the
badass.
animals were sleeping. It was okay though, because then we saw them. It's the tree of life.
Pretty cool. A lot of life here.
We're on our way to get Joffrey's coffee.
Let's go.
We got our shaken Jamaicans and they gave me a cookie for my birthday. I love Joffrey's. Joffrey's is the best. Joffrey's in Animal Kingdom by Dinoland. Definitely need to come check it out.
I can't stand those people that walk in. They won't be done today, and there are few during the car after a while. But luckily, it's not all bad. People hot outside, and I would like to sit in a nice shady tree too. So I totally understand that. Yeah. Wow, we have somebody coming in for a landing.
Yeah. Time for Flight of Passage.
We'll get refunded.
I'm surprised you brought it, man.
I am too, but like I literally, so cute. We just passed a cat, like a little old man in a wheelchair, and he was handing candy out to the cast members and anyone who wanted it, and it was so cute. And he was a veteran. He was a veteran too. Aww. We are headed over to Dinosaur and then Expedition Everest.
Dinosaur. Oklahoma's way too.
What ride are we going on?
Dino.
Let's go get that dino.
We can do that. I think we get a bunch of things that we can just split.
Gonna head to Everest now. Just got off of Dinosaur.
This cookie's gonna get real big, just like that.
Are you excited for Everest?
I am. One of the better rides.
We're so excited. The whole family's going on it. My dad and mom weren't sure, but now they're going. Yay! Just my boyfriend. Hi. Who's excited for Everest? Woo! Just got off of Everest. You guys have fun? It was awesome.
Hey, do you see the monkey?
He's eating.
Wow.
Everyone wants some Crocs?
Screwed up their stomach. Look, it's not quite happy.
Why?
You know what?
Why?
So we're going to guest services.
Oh, good idea. We missed a reservation earlier, so we're figuring that out now. But it was a great day in Animal Kingdom. I had so much fun. We just did the Water Rapids ride, which was great. What was your favorite ride?
What?
What was your favorite ride of the day?
Pandora.
Flight of Passage was awesome as always, but we're gonna go back. It's my birthday. We're gonna go back to the pool and eat dinner and drink drinks and just have a good time and watch Alabama hopefully win. Thanks for watching.
Peace.